Hello everyone and welcome to my first devlog. My name is Elliot Greenwood and today I'm going to show you my progress on the game Little Ent. Now it's been a while since I uploaded and I do apologize for that, mainly because I was quite busy, work on uni and personal stuff, and at the same time I was able to slowly produce more material for this game and improve some visual aspects of it. But I still have quite a lot of things to work on, so I decided just to show you my progress so I could just show that I'm still working on some certain things. And at the moment I'm just going to showcase you the project inside the Unity because everything works the same way, and of course my end goal will be to publish this game because I really want to have my very own first published title of some kind, and I think that this tiny project will do me the justice. Little Ent is a simple puzzle platformer game which is focusing more on relaxed gameplay rather than stressful time-based and precise jumping nonsense. This game focuses mostly on visual satisfactories and exploration and just solving simple puzzles. So let's just load the game and let's see what I've got. So we are greeted with the main menu and the titles, which I have crafted by myself using my own font with wooden letters with a leaf text. The main thing that I've been working lately is the UI itself, because I want to have both the controller inputs and the keyboard inputs, as you can see here. However, the problem at the moment is when I click somewhere off the screen, the button gets unhighlighted and I can't use the inputs anymore. I have to go with the mouse, so that's something I have to fix. And if I just move the mouse on other buttons, then two buttons get highlighted, and it's something that visually I don't want to see. At the moment I have no idea how to fix this issue. I will probably figure out how to fix this thing in some way. So the settings at the moment is disabled. The quit button does work, obviously, because it's the easiest thing ever. So once we click play, we are greeted with this level selection, which will have up to 50 levels in here. Game will navigate with the inputs, or the player can choose to go to the next table. At the moment I don't have all these 8 levels, but the reason they are unlocked is because I was testing the saving mechanic, and as you can see it works pretty well. I had closed the game and it opened again and it's still here. It uses a very basic saving mechanic, storing one integer which will be increased by 1 every time the level is completed. So let's just hit the game itself. So this is what the game looks like at the moment. One character. Decided to remove the second character because I didn't really like how 2 characters are being controlled in this game, though it would be nice to have some kind of a co-op game where the player inputs do not clash with each other. Decided just to go single player and keep it like that. So the character can walk, can run, can crouch as well, though this is something that I will have to change as well because the animation looks weird. Player can jump up to 2 tiles height, and that's pretty much it for the movement. The core goal of this game will be paint these tiles. The whole puzzle part will be just finding the correct paths to unlock and paint all these tiles. Since we are at the dev scene, I'm going to show you what kind of a mechanics I have added. So the first thing, I collected a ladder seed, as I called it, and we can interact with the soil patch and we can plant a ladder which can be climbed by the player. Player can stay on the ladder and jump off it, so that gives more utility and mobility, more freedom, and it's something that I will have to fix as well because there's no top protection at the moment. I'll probably have to add some kind of block just to not allow player go up anymore somewhere here. And as you noticed already, the game has also the ledge grab mechanic. Player gets locked into this ledge grabbing state, and from here player can choose go either up or down and jump down. There's something that they still have to fix about release because it slows down for some reason. Nevertheless, it works fine. You can walk around on the grass tiles, the nice particles. It looks pretty nice. The grass moves as well once the player walks past. I think that's one of the most satisfying things about the game. And as you can see, the level itself becomes very vibrant and nice and clean. And the other feature is this wall. There's some kind of a wood bark that can be opened by interacting with these roots. This wall detects how many roots are in this level, and players have to activate them to open this gate. So at the moment I have set 3 roots, and once upon once all are active and turned into very overgrown roots, the door will open, and that's one of the level access mechanic. The whole idea would be just walk around the map, find these roots and open this gate to access another section of the level or something like that. Basically a feature that reinforces the exploration. As you can see at the top, text shows how many tiles there are in the level that need to be stepped on. I have only one tile left, and this is what will happen if I complete the level. A leaf collectible will spawn, a huge leaf that players will have to interact with it in order to complete the level, and players will get this nice particle effect. And the level complete table will spawn with some score values, time spent in this level, which don't really matter because it's just a puzzle game. So the next level would put you in another level. Quit button has a return to main menu confirmation. Of course, both works for the controllers as well. So if I just click around, yes or no, we go yes, and we get returned to the main menu. And that's the whole game. So the one big brain moment, I would say, that saved me a ton of time are these tiles. I just created the grass object itself and then I placed it on top of the tile, because I have quite a lot of tiles that are requiring these grasses, and it would take a lot of time to create each object and animate it and turn it into prefab. So I thought, why not just have just the grass? And it saved me a ton of time, and now I can just use the tile painter to create these levels manually and just add the grass on top. But now it's just a matter of the level design. As you can see, I have a ton of surface tiles that need to be covered, and the tiles itself have a ton of unique angles in which the map can be formed, every single tile possible. Everything is jointed together properly and no clashes whatsoever. So I think on that part I did quite a good job, and that's the whole game at the moment. I haven't got much, unfortunately, but from the looks of it, already looks like it's half of the game is complete. Now it's just a matter of adding a couple extra puzzles and features. So what am I going to change? So I still have quite a bit of a UI to implement, and I'm planning to remove this background because it just doesn't fit for me, because I still want to keep these pixelated textures and themes. What I'm planning to do is create another tile set. For example, this image, it has the main ground and then there's the background and then just like other background tiles, but I'll figure out something out. Other thing I could say is just like I have my own font as well, so we'll have quite a bit of things to fix and rework. Some inputs are still messed up, so I'm gonna have to recode that too, and just continue adding more mechanics into this game, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any comments or suggestions about this game, do leave some comments in the comments down below. I will read them. I read every single comment I get, and I'm really interested to see what you guys think about this game. I'll keep you updated about this game in some time, probably like couple months. The progress is quite slow, and there's quite a lot of uni work that I still have to do and will have to do. You will probably see some, but other than that, once I'm gonna get some progress in this game, I will keep you updated. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.